In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord upload failed. If your file refuses to send in a Discord chat, it usually comes down to two common causes. The file is too large for your account's limit, or a VPN or proxy is getting in the way. Let's walk through both, step by step, so you can get your upload through without frustration. First, check your file size. Discord enforces strict per-file limits. Free accounts can typically send files around 8 to 25 megabytes. If you have Nitro Basic or Nitro, your limit is higher, ranging roughly from 50 up to 500 megabytes depending on your plan. If your file is bigger than your current limit, the upload will fail every time, no matter how many times you try. To confirm the size, look at the file's properties. On a computer, right-click the file and choose Properties on Windows or Get Info on Mac OS. On a phone, open the file details in your gallery or file manager. If the number is over your limit, reduce it. For images, export to a more compressed format like JPEG and lower the resolution slightly. For videos, trim the clip, reduce the resolution to 720p or 1080p, or use a standard compression setting. For large folders or multiple files, zip them to shrink the total size. Keep an original copy, then create a smaller version for Discord so you don't lose quality permanently. If it still won't fit, share a cloud link instead. Upload the file to a trusted cloud service, set the link to view or download, and paste the link into Discord. That keeps quality intact while avoiding the size cap. If your file is within the limit and it still fails, turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily. These tools can route traffic through distant or overloaded servers, causing timeouts or blocking the content delivery networks Discord relies on. Open your VPN app and toggle it off, or disable any proxy in your system's network settings. On mobile, check your device's VPN settings as well. Once it's off, return to Discord and try the upload again. If the upload succeeds, you've found the culprit. You can turn your VPN back on afterward. If you must keep a VPN running, choosing a nearby server or pausing the VPN just for Discord during the upload can help. That's it. Verify the file size, compress or resize when needed, and temporarily disable VPNs or proxies. With those two checks, most Discord upload failures are quick to solve.